Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. Assuming that this is the moon and Anaxagoras is observing it, he said that the moon reflects light from the sun. It doesn't have any light of its own. And to put it in his own words, it is the sun that puts light into the moon. Assuming this is the sun, yeah, assuming this is the sun and this is the moon, when the sun and the moon are in opposite directions, then the sun makes the moon appear as full moon. The side of the moon lit up by the sun glows, while the other side is dark. This was one observation he made, and the other very interesting observation is solar eclipse, which made him state that moon borrows light from the sun. During a solar eclipse, moon comes in between the sun and the earth, and moon blocks sunlight. And because moon does not have any light of its own, the other side of the moon, which is visible to people looking up from earth, is dark. And it is this darkness which prevents the sunlight from entering the earth, and the day on the earth appears dark during a solar eclipse. Simple. If moon had light of its own, the other side of the moon which we are seeing also should be lit up, and this should shine brightly onto the earth and we will receive light. But because moon does not have any light of its own, and as proposed by Anaxagoras, it is just a rock, it blocks the light from the sun, and the earth does not receive any light on a solar eclipse. Simple, very elegantly simple experiment. Like Shakespeare said, the moon is an errant thief. It borrows its light from the sun. Thank you.